Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. So since the price of Bitcoin is showing a sign of weakness after getting rejection from this neckline area of the inverse head and shoulder, the price is showing this pullback type of scenario because yesterday when we tried breaking out of this neckline area of the inverse head and shoulder, the line acted as a strong line of resistance, and with each and every rejection we also saw pull back type of scenario, and this exact scenario is also what we are witnessing right now playing out with Bitcoin price action. So what does this indicate, and also where we might be possibly heading? All this scenario will be talked into this video, so please watch this video till the end. And I would also really appreciate if you could take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So now starting this here in a weekly time frame, we can see in a weekly right now, if this trend is going to continue, our eyes are going to be lying around this 0.5 Fibonacci line, and this 0.5, which is around $46,728, is going to be our potential price target here to downside, and also one strong line of support, because this Fibonacci line also acted as a strong line of support when the price was showing this pullback type of scenario here in the past Bitcoin price action. So that's why if this trend is going to see any sort of a pullback, then we are expecting a strong bounce of this 0.5 Fibonacci line that is lying around $46,728. The reason I'm actually saying you the support around this 0.5 actually looks very realistic is because also in a daily time frame, if you monitor the price movement using the CPI indicator, or you can also say traditional pivot points, doesn't matter. Right now, according to the CPI indicator, this monthly R1 line is where we might be getting gravitated, and also this same line is going to be acting as a strong line of support, and this monthly R1 line is also sitting around $46,168. So that's why guys, with the previous example, the 0.5, and also in a daily, the monthly R1 line, which is lying around 46,000, is where we might be getting gravitated, and also strong line of support, because if the trend is going to remain over this monthly R1 line and close the month of August also above this 46,000 range, above this line, right, then that is going to indicate a very nice and bullish scenario for Bitcoin, because that will also indicate the next month CPI, which is going to be from September, is going to be an ascending CPI, and after that any sort of a pullback, this CPI line going to be acting as a support, and price could continue this trend here in this manner. Why I'm showing you this is because you can see here in the past Bitcoin price action, when the price started this new rally here to the upside, the CPI line always acted as a strong line of support, right? With each and every pullback, the CPI line was strong line of support, but once we broke below the CPI line, the same CPI line acted as a resistance. Then we saw this pullback, resistance, another pullback, resistance, and here as well, right? So that's why guys, that's why if the price of Bitcoin closes above this 46,000 price range, right, that is going to indicate the next month CPI is also going to be an ascending CPI. That means CPI which is higher than the previous CPI. So that will also indicate the support is going to be there, and price could see a continuation here in this manner, just like here from the past Bitcoin price action. So let's see how this price scenario is going to unfollow, but we are aware around this 0.5, which is around 46,700 to 46,000 price range, with the help of this monthly R1 line, we do have some strong line of support lying around for Bitcoin. And not just only because of this, also if you look at this in a daily time frame, if you look at this price action again in a daily time frame, we can see very clearly this moving average, the 20 exponential moving average, is also another important line of support for Bitcoin, along with this Williams alligator indicator, because with each and every pullback we have seen a strong bounce of these moving averages and also the Williams alligator indicator. So that's why if this trend is going to continue around this 46,000, we do have some strong line of support lying around for Bitcoin. And also guys, let me make you aware, Phemex has increased the deposit bonus up to $2,000 and additional $100 for our community members. So the total of $2,100 is up for grab. You only have 2 weeks times to register for this bonus and deposit. And also this bonus applies not only to new users but also to the existing users. You just have to follow this 3 simple steps, which is not going to take you longer than a minute of your time, guys. You will find the registration link in the description down below. This here is a great opportunity, so definitely try grabbing it. So now let's switch into our chart. So now if we look at the price movement of Bitcoin here in a 4-hour time frame, we can see guys, this inverse head and shoulder didn't play out very well. Price got a rejection exactly after reaching the neckline area and was unable to find support over it. After that, this price pullback scenario occurred. But now if we look at this price movement in a 4-hour time frame, right, you can see this is indicating a pullback here. If it's going to continue, it could test the upper line area of this descending channel, because this upper line acted as a strong line of resistance and also as support here in the past Bitcoin price action. And any sort of a pullback for now, right, you can see this upper line is going to be another strong line of support before price chooses the possible trend direction. Because if this is going to be more of a breakdown, then there is a very likely that we are also going to break below this 46,000 price range. So unless the price is not breaking below this 46,000 range, we are still going to focus more on range bound type of scenario playing out for Bitcoin. And so you can see here guys, yesterday I also talked about this descending broadening wedge type of scenario playing out for Bitcoin, and we were aware if this descending broadening wedge is going to fail, right, or also play out as a breakout, then wait for a proper confirmation at least towards from the neckline area. So that's why this neckline area was a very important line of resistance around 49,000 price range. And after that, you can see we are starting this new downtrend type of scenario. So as long as the price is going to stick above this upper line area of this falling wedge, right, we could still expect some more consolidation or range bound type of scenario playing out for Bitcoin. But getting rejection here, right, getting rejection from the upper line area, then we are aware the price here could be retesting the lower boundaries, which could be sitting around 42,400 price range. So these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's quick episode. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.